All right, guys, so we are here with a RX 350 F Sport Lexus SUV. And we're changing the PCV valve and PCV valve hose. This is the PCV valve here. I've already unscrewed it, and the hose goes in there, and then the part connects here. This hose was actually broken, so I decided to change that and the PCV valve as well. It's the old one right there. Go ahead and take that out. Yeah, that thing is old. Ugh. So actually, I'm glad that the hose broke, because I wouldn't have known about the PCV valve. Gonna change this. Actually, doing an engine cleaning tomorrow. Get out all this dirt. That's gonna happen in the morning. So I got the new PCV valve right here. See how different they look, old versus new. Yeah, it's that time. And for this, you would need a part number 12204-31120. Yeah, and the new hose is 12260-0P030. And all of these are OEM from Lexus. I had to actually order it because AutoZone did not have, well, they don't carry them actually. They sell the PCV valve, but they don't sell the hoses. So you have to order this from Lexus, unfortunately. But it wasn't a lot. It was actually for both parts, I think it was a total of like 39 bucks. So yeah, the tool I used to take it out is an impact wrench. You're gonna need, I'm sorry, not impact wrench. A deep, goodness, where'd it go? There we go. Get you one of these deep sockets. 3/4 fits in perfectly. Get you an extender if you need it, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. I'm gonna pause the video real quick. All right, got the new bolt in, nice and tight. You don't wanna strip it, because this valve cover, I'm not sure how thick the metal is, so you don't wanna force the PCV valve in. Definitely tighten it to a nice snug. And if you need to use a torque wrench, you can look up those torque wrench pounds settings online. I don't have that information for you, but be right back. Gonna go ahead and attach this hose, because I'm gonna need both of my hands for the clamps. Otherwise, I would record this. All right, easy as 1, 2, 3. This is probably one of the easiest jobs I've done on a Lexus. I appreciate quick, simple jobs. In and out, you dig? And on that note, we're done. Appreciate you guys. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm really doing my best to post as much as possible DIY videos for you ladies and gentlemen out there. And thanks again.